Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naseen. I do keto vlogs, keto hauls, all things keto. Today's video is a little bit different. I am doing a collab with a bunch of other YouTubers. It's called the Teal Pumpkin Project. And basically what that is you put a teal pumpkin on your porch and it lets other trick-or-treaters and parents know that you offer something that is allergy free so their children can still go trick-or-treating. So in this collab there are other YouTubers who have done a handful of different things, whether it be showing you what they're having in their baskets or decorating their home or dressing up. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm doing to contribute to this special Halloween collab. We're going to Spirit Halloween to just look at all the fun Halloween stuff.
It's not real hair.
Who beat that? Who beat that? Who is that?
You're ugly.
Who is that? Who is that?
You're okay, that's scary. Take it off.
Stop, stop. Who is that? What is that?
Oh, he's freaky.
You want to be 11, Mom? No way.
No.
Today, sir. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, I want this one. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh. Dude, I will murder you. Look what I got.
You guys want these socks?
Yeah,